This is one more year heating and air, and we're doing a checkup on this unit. And I come around the corner, I undo the door, and this is what I see. Big no-no, do not put your capacitor on a unit with mastic tape, because it can fall directly onto the contactor. Do not do that. Before you do any diagnostics or anything inside, make sure your disconnect is out and laying on top. Helpful hint, trust me. So I'm going to take this capacitor and this capacitor completely out of circuit, and I'm going to replace it with the correct capacitor and hopefully fix this mess. This is also a 5 microfarad capacitor. New capacitor is in place, and now it's time for me to wire it. New capacitor is in place. Brown is on fan, the fan terminal. Brown normally runs to a fan. Easy way to check that is sort of go up in there. You can barely see it, but right back here are some wires. If it goes up to the fan. Blue is hermetic. Blue goes down, and right up in there, that's compressor. Hermetic is compressor. Common. Okay, I'm gonna fire it up and oh gosh, it works. Thank you guys for watching. One more year heating and air. Signing off.